You know, I always say there's no day quite like delivery day. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel and welcome back to vlog. Welcome to the beautiful state of Pennsylvania. Today we are taking delivery of the Corvette C8 Z06. Now, before we go see the car, we have to introduce a very special celebrity guest, Mr. Matt Beaver. I don't know how you got me this allocation. Thank you so much. What VIN number is it?
31.
31, baby. I don't know how we got 31. We got picked up in 2 Corvettes, and the car's right inside. I already can see the car. Oh my gosh, it's so cool. Check it out, ladies and gentlemen. That's right. Finished in Accelerate Yellow. That color is so good. So for the first time, a cold startup on the brand new Z06. Okay, that sounds incredible. That actually sounds like a Lamborghini Huracan. Matt's gonna drive the car outside, but first we have to unzip the brand new Z06. Oh yes, oh my gosh, that color is amazing. I knew it was cool. I had no, how do you get in here though? Okay. Knows all the tricks of the trade. Yeah. Look at that. It's always so exciting to take delivery of a brand new car and have it be wrapped up like this. It almost feels like Christmas morning. I also optioned the $15,000 carbon fiber wheels. Look so crazy. I cannot wait to see this car under the sun. And with this exhaust, the car sounds so amazing. So this spec is crazy. $173,000 out the door. We basically got every single option on this car. That yellow looks so crazy. I love this color so much. It's actually the first time I've ever had a painted yellow car. It's gonna look so good. We're tentatively driving this car back to Utah. Look at that thing. She is so much wider than the standard C8. Ladies and gentlemen, Girth Nation, have yourself a moment. The carbon fiber wing right there. This is so crazy. Oh my goodness, look at that thing. VIN number 31, introduced for the very first time, the C8 Z06. Yo. I'm just taking a moment to appreciate this car. To all the Chevy executives who are definitely not watching today's video, but if you are watching today's video, this car is incredible. Like these carbon fiber wheels, I don't know if you guys can tell, I don't know if the camera's doing it justice. They're absolutely glistening and this color is amazing. It almost reminds me of Lamborghini Verde Scandal. It has like a hint of green in it almost. It's very hard to explain. You'd have to see one in real life. That thing is so sick. Now I gotta correct myself real quick. I said the wheels were $15,000. They're actually $12,000 and worth every single penny. If you're getting a Z8, if you're getting a C8 Z06, I'm very excited. It's also very cold. If you're getting a Z06, get the carbon fiber wheels, and this carbon splitter is also amazing. I went back and forth on all the carbon fiber, but you know what? I realized I needed it, and check out the interior too. We have all the carbon fiber here in the center console as well. This thing is sick. That wheel, look at that. And of course, the moment of truth. Turn her on for the first time. She smells so good in here right now too. And check that out, we only have 10 miles on the odometer. This thing is brand new. We got the Accelerate Yellow seat belts too. All the Alcantara inserts as well. Now the car's in a demo mode right now, or like a transport mode. We gotta get 500 miles before we maximize the full potential of the car. But, okay, that's not bad. I think we gotta get her in track mode. That's not bad. And that's like, you can see, that's 3,000 RPMs. And of course, everybody is talking on and on about the flat plane crank V8. You guys know I'm not a technical guy. I don't even know what that means. Matt could explain that, but he doesn't want to do it either. But shout out to Mr. Mike Ward for building this absolutely gorgeous engine bay. We got 670 horsepower. Now, unfortunately, we do actually have to pay for this car. We actually do have to sign paper. Are you sure? Could we get around that somehow? Maybe. Yes. It's a $173,000 car, and yes, we do have to pay for it, unfortunately. It is so incredibly cold here in Pennsylvania. I'm gonna try to sign this, but I don't know if it's gonna work. That's a fantastic signature. $173,000 and $11 later, we own a Z06. So this is actually kind of sort of crazy, and I didn't realize this even existed. If I keep the Z06 Corvette for 6 months, I get a $5,000 check from General Motors.
A credit. It's
a credit. Oh, a credit. Oh, okay, a credit. Big difference in credit. So I have to buy another GM product.
Or you can use it for parts, accessories, or your car payment, which you don't have any payments.
Okay. Interesting. But are these cars trading for over MSRP right now?
They are.
You see, that's okay. Now I'm not selling the car. I have no intention of selling the car. I mean, look at it. Are you actually kidding me? We're gonna sign this. We're gonna sign this off camera. You guys can see the full MSRP, $172,555 miles per gallon. We get 12 in the city. We get 19 on the highway. That's actually not bad right there. She is officially a used vehicle though. As we pull off that window sticker, maybe. Oh,
it's so cold.
It is so cold. Thank you. It is so cold here in Pennsylvania. Street Speed 717 is on a boat in the Bahamas right now as we try to pull off this window sticker. Maybe. And of course, one of the coolest things about the Z06, you have so much storage. You got the spot here in the back for this bag, and then we got storage up front as well. Okay, come on. All right, you see? Look at that. Too easy. This is so crazy right now. We've been waiting for this moment for so long. We have that orange C8 right there too. All the carbon fiber on this thing is absolutely next level. So we have 10 miles on the odometer. We got to get this baby to 500 as fast as we can. Spin class, launch control after 500 miles. So we got 490 to go. And yes, you guys are gonna hate me, but immediately Sophia has to get it there on the dash too. Too easy.
So satisfying.
This probably doesn't need to be said. It is so cold in Pennsylvania right now. The tires are absolutely frozen. We do not want to lose the back end. We do not want to put the car into that tree right there. Look both ways. All right, too easy. It's always so nerve-wracking driving a brand new car because this is like a world's first. If we crash this car, we also are the world's first to ever crash the Z06. We do not want to be those people, okay? That is not our reputation, okay? We're annoying, we're obnoxious, but we don't crash cars. So yeah, we're chasing the other C8. We're gonna get some roller shots for you. We're currently in like the grandma mode. If we turn this dial, that's sport mode. If we turn it again, I almost just hit that. Was that a goat? That was a goat. I think that was a goat. I think that was a goat. We're now in track mode. The car sounds so much better. So timing is absolutely essential. Wait for it. That's in demo mode, okay? That's demo mode with a factory exhaust. We still have cats, we still have mufflers. Not that we'd ever get rid of that, but supposedly let's say we did. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? I know what you guys are thinking. It looks like Pennsylvania. It's actually Guadalajara. Are we going? Let's go. Oh my gosh! What? Yo, are you okay, Soph? I nearly put this car in the thickets. We're good though. Okay, so maybe post Chick-fil-A, I should warm up the tires. We're gonna chill and we're gonna put it in grandma mode. We're just chilling. Unfortunately, I didn't have any time to get paint protection film right now, so the last thing we want to do is get right behind the semis. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna mash the throttle just to get around. That's why we did it, only for that reason. Now we're right behind an X5, so we're gonna scoot over and then we're gonna mash the throttle again, purely to save the paint. It's only for the paint. That's the only reason we're doing this. This car is fast. Now I've talked about this many times, but I love the rear view camera. That is the coolest feature. Well, we officially have 100 miles on the Z06. We are 20% from full sending this car finally. I realized I don't think we're gonna get to 500 miles in this video. So next video, spin class, launch control, you name it, we're gonna do everything. It's crazy. I only know of one other Z06 delivered in the entire world, and somehow, not that this is car number 2, but I don't know of any others. You have no idea how excited I am. Let's go! Oh, it's so good! I cannot wait for the braking period to be done though. That's a stock exhaust. Let's go. So good. Well, 226 miles later, the first fuel up in the Z06. And I want to give a shout out to the beautiful state of Pennsylvania because they have 93 octane. Come on, Utah, get on their level. Well, now that we have officially filled up for the very first time, it's time to pull off all the plastic wrap, all the nonsense. I know it's sad. She's a used car. There we go. Easy, easy, easy. You want to get that warning label too? Going. There we go. Well, the final remnants of the brand new Z06 are in the trash bin at the rest area somewhere on the turnpike. The more and more I look at the new Z06, the more I like it. It's so much wider than the standard C8, and this whole side intake is so cool. I love the carbon fiber wing, and I just love the interior, but most importantly, it's the flat plane crank V8. What that means, An engineer can tell you, I'm not sure, but I like it. Now, the one thing I'll say about having $12,000 carbon fiber wheels, we really don't want to curb a wheel today. I don't even know, if you curb a carbon fiber wheel, can you fix it? I have no idea. You see that right there, ladies and gentlemen? That is how you park a Corvette with carbon fiber wheels. Sophia's impressed. You're impressed, right?
Can you close
You're impressed though, right?
Very
impressed. This color at night, it actually reminds me of the wrap on the Aventador. It is glowing. We currently ended the day with 372 miles, which means tomorrow, Sophia, tomorrow you're launching this and you're doing donuts. No?
Maybe.
Okay, oh, maybe. You heard it here first. If the video gets 140,000 likes, you'll do launch control and donuts in this car tomorrow.
Yes.
Be sure to smash that like button. And of course, as always, you gotta love the soft close right there. That thing is so sick. I can't wait to get an exhaust. I gotta admit, I wasn't entirely sure what to expect on the new Z06. I am genuinely impressed. The car sounds so much better than I realized, and that's with a factory exhaust. Once it heat cycles a couple more times, once we cut it off, it is gonna sound absolutely incredible. The chassis is stiffer, it's got carbon ceramic brakes. It looks incredible. Like, I love that car. I could sell it for a very big number, but I'm not gonna. You see, Sophia, it's not very often we ball out, but when we do, we stay at the Holiday Inn Express. Okay, this room is dope. You see, I told you I balled out. It's very rare that I ball out, but on that bombshell, unfortunately / fortunately, today's video is over, but tomorrow, we're headed to Columbus, Ohio. You guys know it's in Columbus. It's got a quad turbo. I said too much. Bye. Now, I gotta give it. Oh my gosh, my voice. Did you hear my voice right there? That was squeaking like crazy. I'm squeaking all over the place.